Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a doll unbagging. I got this one at a garage sale, and I really liked her. So I bought two more, and there's 4 in the series, so, well, you know. And I really like these dolls. I got a really good deal on this doll. That's why it's been so long between dances. I saw this on eBay, and they had or make offer, or however it is, make an offer. Well, you know me, if they say make offer, I'm going to. So I did, and I made a low offer. I'm trying to remember, I think she was $14.99 with 6 something shipping, and I offered 6 something. At any rate, I think she was less than $13 with shipping. So I am thrilled to show you that I got my Amethyst Rae doll, and I really like her. Look at her little sleeve. How fun is that? She has a sleeve on both arms. I knew that she came without clothes or shoes. I'm okay with that. It looks like she has her original hair, but it's off a bit. I'll have to do a little bit. I knew she was coming without clothes, so I made her a little outfit. What kind of fabric do you think I used? Of course, I used the flamingo. I had another flamingo that I had not used before. Not my favorite. But I used it, so hers would be the same, only different. So let's get her dressed. I think she's absolutely lovely. Darren makes these stands. In our last Poopsie Surprise, we had a hidden giveaway. We are now going to have a hidden winner reveal. And the winner will need to contact me through email. My email is right here in this video to let me know your address. I found these keychains a while back at the farm store that we buy our feed and such from. And I bought a pair thinking, well, they're too big for Ken, but they were on clearance. These were 50 cents a piece, and I thought, I know I have a doll. I think they were $1 at the time I bought the first ones, and I thought, you know, I'll bet I have a doll those will fit. Well, I brought them home, and they were too big, but look how they fit my Poopsie Surprise. So they were $1 for a pair of cowboy boots. I think they're kind of cute. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make one of these girls a Western outfit coming up. Like I said, Darren prints the shoe soles so that I can have shoes for dolls that you can't find shoes for, like the curvy Barbie and the rainbow high dolls. Trying to think of some of the others that I have found thrifted, and he has made shoe soles for Monster High and the 16-inch Monster High, and now for the Poopsie Surprise. And our winner of 2 pairs of these soles, and these can fit other dolls about this size too. You can try them, and I use hot glue gun, and I've been using elastic, but you can use ribbon or fabric or anything at all. Our winner for these in our hidden giveaway and our hidden reveal is Wednesday and Gilly together. The stands that Darren makes, how we're going to do this is, I do have a Poopsie Surprise stand if that's the size you want, but I'm betting most of you don't have Poopsie Surprises. And we also have these that fit the Blythe doll, the LOL doll, Rainbow High, oh gosh, just a Barbie. If we just know the doll that you want that for, that goes out to Let's Talk About It with Jamie. Congratulations to our winner. Below in the comments, do not put the winner's names. Just put congrats to the winner. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. We sure have fun here. Please leave a like, a comment, and if you would, please subscribe.